ya bani baye ne de waye nyina no enne ma me musa o se wo abana na montu a watu to this point sen
yo medasi musa akwanya bi mu a wasan de aba wo kan krata so dia senya wo kasaye no I mean inflation from 28.3 to 23.8 abedi 3.2 anka nyema nyina kwanso de anka ye sidi na hoden agina ho be afini obeni de kase physical deficit ye nkrum a ye nkon o ka bibiri mesle ya o si ame fo amon nsa so se ye de abusian kwa ne bo wi ase edidie e so de meji 50 billion o ka ni sere ye de je se wi ase e wono busian kwa ne timidi chance na o hwe mu a afa se your physical deficit 2024 you say about do according to IMF about 2.8 surplus instead of deficit. It means say ya ni niema ni husika and I am printisika and I am mobusia. It is the first time in the 10 years ni afin yet ni surplus ama sikasem no atoye. Now what can say be lintia I can inflation ya hon toye ni can say open come on, inflation grew 54%, I think 2022 and not 2023. It really says, so you say, Yan to a ketchum uncle grew 54% too. You know, see, can only tell Cano, it didn't 15 to 6 once and granada 46. Inflation will be what is a memoir. We see all baby osa. Must all you say, she can be and just say inflation back to about 3.2. Usikana na ebewe no abedi ho ebi nti ebiama nyema enfu ni na se nkodu mbonso bia sika ne kura ye no esewe kura nti na ko emanu ko bia so ba omse orima bo ye den ko fom yesi inflation ba fom enko fom nti enko fom ne se abere no ho kenye bia be hye omanu mu a enye dako obetini ebibenti be ni ensa enan ebibenti abasa ne se obodi fo bi lag means say ade no ba na nsu so aso no eche ebe de ko covered in your shape e ba ya si ni na bi wo obi wo a owo ye no benti ni nsache no me yare bi kura beti aba sana inflation it everything na yenhu yenhu en fare yen na ko dwa so a si ni ma bo aye den ni ni ba bi ye ko dri 54% deficit 7.9% of the GDP. If you ever see the dollar, you see the car, it will be 17, 16. It is something no more. And what was some back on and after back. It may be don't feed them in fun and night. Because in do side, we see car with you still, I was sick on a one rate. If a near Joe 54 now, about 23, I read about even 3 you cry, I can a winning kitty. In Tina, and maybe present in inflation, you see. Inflation means let's say, who could be one or Saturday? Your money get over. Then you look at me, you don't know who can have this way. In 20 years, as I will talk. Damn it, here.